besties, welcome back to my channel, girl. If you're new here, my name is Ashton. I do lifestyle, beauty, and perfume content. But the return bestie, hey girl, what's the besties? Y'all girl, we're doing my like full body butter collection plus my favorites. Now, I don't have many body butter. Also, y'all, the like little snack of the day is gonna be my little candy I got inside of my Easter basket because y'all, I just got out of my class, y'all. Y'all know I get out of school for summer break like in like a week and a half, girl. So I've been doing like hella schoolwork, girl. So my plan was after I got done, I was gonna edit my TikTok and then do some schoolwork. And then I saw I had two classes, one at 10:30 to 11:30, and then I have another one at 12:30 to 1 o'clock. No, to 1:30. So I have like about like an hour to film these my last two YouTube videos. Y'all know on Mondays I film two like YouTube video girls from list topics. So basically, I have 6 body butters, y'all. I don't really get body butters like I'm more like a body lotion. Like I do like body creams, especially after like a everything shower for like some extra hydration. But I do like body butters. I just don't like, you know, like I only buy Bath and Body body butters like when they're on sale, because the normal price is like 20 bucks. So okay, these are good. Okay, let's talk about my Tree Hut body. Okay, Tree Hut body butters first. So we have 3 Tree Hut body butters, girl. So let's talk about. So let's see. My favorite Tree Hut body butter, girl, of all time is the Tree Hut Sweet Cream. This came out back in 2023, girl. Sadly, we did not get this inside of like a body scrub for some reason. So Tree Hut, if you're seeing this, girl, can we please get this inside of like a body butter? Now, on the notes on here, it says vanilla and coconut extracts and shea butter, but it's called Sweet Cream, y'all. I love this body butter down. It smells like a vanilla Starbucks cold foam, y'all. Like, it literally smells like vanilla sweet cream cold foam. Y'all know I'm a gourmand girly and I love a good vanilla gourmand scent, girl. This like lighting is so good because I got my ring light. Because the weather down here, girl, I mean, so weird. Like Friday, it was cloudy and then it started raining like late Friday night. Then Saturday, it was raining all day. Then yesterday, it was sprinkling. And then today, it was sprinkling. Now the sun out. Like, Alabama weather has been so bipolar. Right? But this smells like a vanilla sweet cream cold foam, y'all. I can use this body butter a good little bit. Because, like, one thing about Tree Hut body butters, a little goes a long way. And they're so thick and so, like, moisturizing and so, like, hydrating, girls. Like, that is the, consistency of it, girl. And it smells so good. I wish they came out with this inside of like a body scrub. Now, if they still, I know like you can probably like go on eBay and like Mercari and still like try to find it, girl. Now the packaging is okay. It's not like spectacular, but like we're not here for like for the packaging. We're here for like the scent, and the scent is to die for, girl. Like, hold on, y'all. Like, the scent is to die for, girl. It's Chef Kiss. Like, I'm hoping, like, this year, they bring this scent back. Like, because, like, after this sold out, y'all, poof. Like, I got mine from Target, I think, girl. And then, boom. Like, it never came back, girl. Like, now, my, like, next Tree Hut body butters are the vitamin C. Now, I bet you're saying, Ashton, why you have 2 of these? Okay. Y'all know summer's like my favorite season. I love to go skinny dipping and swimming, etc., etc. The Tree Hut vitamin C body butter, everybody needs this during like the summer. This has so many health benefits. I mean, like this is so good for your skin. It's for brighter skin. It has shea butter, vitamin C. Like, these body butters, especially during like the summertime, are so good. Now, I have one for my butt. Yes, I use this on my butt, girl. You can use this on your butt, y'all. My butt is so soft. It's so soft and just like hydrated. And I love it. So I have one for my butt, which this one is for my butt. As y'all can see, I have like used this. And this consistency, y'all, is such like a thick whipped consistency. Like, it's not greasy, it's not oily, and this glides like this goes into your skin so good, y'all. So I did buy like 2 of these, y'all. But in fact, I love like the vitamin C like tree hut scrub and look like during like the summertime, like the sun is out. It's like you need to be giving your skin as much hydration as possible. And yeah, so then I have this one for my body, which now for my body, I only use this during like the summertime. So this will be getting used, like it's so lightweight and fluffy. And this summer, I'm gonna be with my family and my friends like all the time, outside, picnics, pool, and everything. So that is the one for my body, y'all. I love these now, and these are only $7.94 at like Walmart, girl. So they're so like hydrating, and y'all should most definitely try it on your butt, girl. I know it sounds crazy, girl, but my butt has never been so softer. Time for my Bath and Body Works body butters. Now, between Bath and Body Works and like Tree Hut, I'm gonna pick Bath and Body Works, y'all. I love Bath and Body Works body butters now because they're still thick, but it's very like hydrated, and then they have like a lot of oils and butters and greases and stuff, which I like my skin to be very oily, girl. So let's talk about my recent body butter I picked up this year from like Bath and Body Works. Y'all know how much I love Sweetest Zone Down, y'all. I got this in the body butter and the Germix and the travel size body sprays and 2 body sprays in the Germix. So I have 6 Sweetest Zone products, y'all. But I don't really now if they're at semi-annual sale for like $4, I'll grab them. And I was gonna grab the shower gel, but no. So Sweetest Zone has blush raspberry, sugar crystal, and wood musk. First of all, y'all know how much I love this package down. Like y'all know like my favorite color is pink, and I love the pink on here. Now I haven't used this body butter yet. I won't use this Sunday, y'all. I like to play in like my like lotions and try to use them. So Monday through like Saturday, when I shower, I am using Cactus Blossom. But this Sunday, I'm gonna use like Sweetest Zone. I love Sweetest Zone Down. And that, cause like one thing I love about Bath and Body Works, y'all, their body butter is so thick and luxurious, creamy and hydrating, y'all. It smells so good, and this is one of my favorite scents in the body butter, y'all. Like one of my new favorite scents that came out this year from like Bath and Body Works is Sweetest Zone. Like I love it down. I do got it in my spring lineup right now, y'all. For my scents, I haven't. If my camera will focus, I haven't used this scent yet, but I do got it in my spring lineup until the end of May, y'all. Cause I did this spring lineup for April, y'all, and all I got to use is one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more scents, girl, and I'll be done with all my spring fragrance, y'all. And then for summer, I do 3 months. I do June, July, and August. Like I have so many summer scents, y'all. Like the most scents I have in Bath and Body Works is summer, because for one, I love summer. Like it's like my favorite season. The sunny, happy vibes, just swimming. I love summer down, and I love summer scents. So these have been doing good. Now, if I happen to use all them 7 scents be like 4 May ends, I have 2 Victoria's Secret scents that I want to use, girl. So yeah, but that's that, girl. But I love like Sweetest Zone Down. Like the scent. Like, it's like a mature, sweet, girly, like, if you was, like, if one scent had to, like, describe Paris Hilton, it would be this, like, sweet, luxurious, not too sweet, but still, like, mature at the same time, girl. Like, I wish I could just, like, drown in Sweetest Zone. Like, this is in my top 10 favorite scents. Like, Sweetest Zone, y'all, it's just such a sweet, mature scent. And I know y'all get tired of hearing me talking about Sweetest Zone, but I literally love her down. Like, I love her down. Now, the body butter I actually used last night in my shower routine was the milk fragrance. A lot of folks, when this came out last year, girl, a lot of folks didn't like it, y'all. Me personally, I love the packaging. Y'all know I'm a neutral color girly down. Like, I love a good neutral color down. And I love milk. I do got inside of the body spray, but I used that during Christmas, so it's all the way back there, girl. But I love milk down. Like, I love, like, this color, y'all. It's milk free. It's and the notes on here is sugar, oats, and, like, whipped milk, y'all. And it's, like, and girl, I love milk. Now, I got this last year. My first time using it was in January, and I'm, like, used it again last night. And this, when I tell you, girl, this glided on into my skin so good. I got this from their body care sale, like $5 last year, because, like, the regular price is $21. It's $20.95, but with tax, might as well say $22, y'all. And I love, like, because, like, when this scent first came out, like, it was so much controversial about, like, it felt like, me personally, I like this scent, y'all. I love milk. It's so good. Like, y'all know I love a good, like, tonic gourmand scent. So this was right down, like, my alley. But if you're not a gourmand girly, I feel like you should try this out just to see, like, how you like it. Me personally, I love milk. Like, when I tell y'all, I use this, like, I got out the shower around, like, 5 o'clock last night. I got in bed at 10 o'clock, y'all, cause, like, even though I do homeschool, y'all, I do a lot in the day, so I need, like, as much sleep. I was still smelling this. Even this morning on my sheets, I could still smell. Like, I love milk down. Like, milk is one of my favorite common scents from their, like, from their, like, aromatherapy line, kind of. Like, I just love milk down. I love it now. I'm glad I got it inside of, like, the body spray. Hopefully this year at semi-sale, they have, like, some extra, like, sprays. Like, I could get, like, another spray, because I actually love milk down. Like, I gotta smell it again. Like, it's such, like, a creamy, cozy, like, tonic scent, y'all. Like, this is, like, a perfect, like, going to bed. It's like, I don't, like, you could, like, wear this going out, but, like, me personally, I would use this body butter, like, going out. No. I'm, like, sleeping in or something, like, at nighttime or something. Body butter. Now, this is one of my favorite summer scents. If you're like me and love a good sunscreeny coconut scent, you're gonna love this scent. Now, this was a part of their Soje De Niro line last year. This was my favorite out the line. I got inside the diamond spray, which I got at the semi-sale, winter sale for like this year for only $4, which I was so glad about. And I got inside the body spray and the body butter. Solar Shine Radiant Coconut and Vanilla. Y'all know, first, let's take a second for this packaging. I love this packaging now. Now, sadly, they don't make body butters like this. Let's talk. So, this is the Glotation body butter, which means, I don't know if y'all can see, it has, like, little specks of glitter, like, very tiny specks of, like, shiny and glitter. It's, like, very... It's, like, very tiny. I don't know if y'all can see on my hands, like, that amount of sparkle. It's, like, very amount. Now, me personally, now, Bath & Body Works stopped doing body butters like that, because folks, including my mama, they don't like body butters with glitter, which is understandable, because everybody don't like glitter. Of course, they can't just make, like, oh, like one with glitter and one with not glitter. Like that would be too much. So... But I love it down. But back to this, y'all. I love this scent down. It has two of my, like, y'all know I love a good vanilla. I love vanilla scents. And then I love a good coconut. Like, I have about, like, over 6 or 8 coconut scents, y'all. This now, the notes in here is Radiant Coconut, Sunlit Tuberose, and Bronze Tonka. Which bronze, like, when you think of bronze, me personally, I think of, like, a spray tan. So this scent, y'all, I've not used this since last year or summer, y'all. When I tell you, I love this. Like, this is, if you're like me and love a good sunscreeny summer scent, you need Radiant Coconut and Vanilla. I love this. I got inside the body spray in my closet, and I got inside the shimmer spray inside of there. I love this scent down. I wish they would make more body butters with like the glitter girl. Cause, like, y'all know I love Sparkle Girl. And me personally, I love this scent down. Like, it's so slight. I wish I could see, like, all the sparkles in there, girl. But it smells so freaking amazing. And I love this now. Like, it's sunscreen. It's whole, like, this smells like summer. Like, if I had to describe summer in a scent, is it like, you can smell, like, the coconuts. You can smell, like, the sunscreen. And I'm just so excited for summer, y'all. Like, literally, y'all, that's why I've been locking on my school, y'all. Because soon I'm out, y'all. Where is Ashton? The pool. My friends checking my location. The pool. Girl, even though they gonna be there with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, girl. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the what exactly, so you'll be notified every time your bestie posts a new video. And bestie, I love you so much, girl.